Hey guys, I'm Teju. Welcome back to our channel Happy Toppings by Teju. Whether you are a working professional, homemaker, student or an employee working from home, cooking is one of the major tasks for every one of us. Though cooking is essential in our life and we do it on a daily basis, sometimes it becomes irritating due to lack of time, planning and preparation.
Cooking is not that difficult and also not that easy if not planned well. You may think that we can cook on deciding on a daily basis, or is it really necessary to plan our meals a week ahead? Every morning I tend to waste 10 to 15 minutes of time thinking what to cook for breakfast, lunch or dinner. When I open the fridge, I realize some or the other item is missing. If I plan to cook eggs, then I don't see any eggs in the fridge. If I plan to prepare aloo fry, I don't find any potatoes in the vegetable drawer. And I end up cooking some instant food, or when I don't feel like cooking, I end up ordering food from outside, leading to unhealthy choices. But when I started this weekly meal planning, I actually started saving time, energy and money. By spending 2 to 3 hours on a weekend, it helped me eat better, prevent food waste and cook a variety of recipes.
Meal planning gives you a ready answer to the daily household questions from your partner, kids on what's for breakfast, lunch and dinner. In this video, I'll share with you a few meal planning tips and ideas helpful for Indian cooking routine. Let's get started.
What is weekly meal planning? Weekly meal planning is the process of planning your meals for the week ahead in advance to maintain healthy diet habits and to make your day-to-day life stress-free. How do I make my weekly meal plan? The best time for your weekly meal planning would be on a weekend. To make a weekly meal plan, you can use a pen and a notebook or sticky notes on your fridge. Or you can do it on your mobile. You can use a magnetic planner like this. Link to this product is available in the description below. Meal planning can be done effectively in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Choosing the recipes. 2. Making a grocery list and shopping. 3. Prepping the cooking essentials. Choosing the recipes. Give yourself plenty of time for meal planning, especially in the beginning when you are a beginner. Pick recipes for the kind of meals you actually need and make a plan which is realistic during weekdays that fits your schedule. Decide how many meals you want to plan in a week. Choose quick and easy recipes for Mondays as these are usually stressful. Start with looking at what you already have in your fridge, freezer or pantry. This can help you decide the recipes and avoid food wastage. This is the money saving aspect of meal planning in full effect. While choosing recipes, always add the recipes you know very well for weekdays and save new recipes or special recipes for the weekend. If you eat out in the middle of the week, then simply swap the recipes. Okay, you have got your recipes. Now let's make a grocery list. Start by going through each recipe and note down the ingredients which are not available in your pantry or fridge. This helps to restock your pantry. While noting down, I list down all the required items by grouping them into categories. Making a list before you go to the supermarket saves your time and energy by avoiding unnecessary purchases, and you end up buying only the things that you need. I usually shop groceries and prep meal on the same day over the weekend by sticking to regular schedule, and it works better. The next thing I do is grab a grocery bag, pick my grocery list, my wallet and head to the supermarket. First thing after coming back from supermarket, I unpack all the items and start the meal prep. In our Indian meals, there are few daily essentials that needs to be chopped and prepped for cooking like ginger garlic paste, garlic cloves, coriander, curry leaves, methi, chilies, etc. Now let's remove the stems from chilies and separate the curry leaves and coriander from the stem. Now wash under running water and air dry them on kitchen towels. Next comes veggies. Wash the vegetables and air dry them in the same way on kitchen towel to soak all excess water. Make ginger garlic paste and put it in a separate container. Peel garlic and store them in ready to use separate container. I use this refrigerator organizer with separate cabinets to store chilies, coriander, curry leaves so that I can grab this box and use it while cooking to save time. Or simply you can store them in separate containers. I have used this zipper storage bags to store fresh vegetables and this container to store fruits. Always fill up the spices container and refill the oil and ghee containers. By refilling these containers, you don't feel stressed while cooking. Also organize your fridge and kitchen so that everything will be in place and you can quickly find items you need, which saves you time and extends shelf life of food items.
If you plan your meals in advance, we can handle any other chores during the week without any stress. Usually I spend 2 to 3 hours over the weekend for meal planning and prepping so that for the rest of the week most of my meals are ready in 30 minutes. Hope this video helps you to plan your meals with less effort no matter if you are a working professional, homemaker or a student. Yeah, that's all about today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and please do subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Also please click on the bell icon to get notifications of the next video. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for new video updates and other interesting content. See you again. Bye bye.